So if you're struggling for last few days to upgrade your pinion gear or the motor mount, I can feel your pain because it's been very frustrating last few days for me as well. And the reason is that this grub screw on this pinion gear, right? This grub screw on this pinion gear just don't budge. And the reason is Loctite. Finally, I'm able to find a solution which I bet will fit in any stuck pinion gear or grub screw. So let's get on to it. All right, so there are two steps to it. The first one is we have to take this pinion gear out, and the second step is because there's a stuck grub screw in there, so we have to take that out. So we'll first focus on taking that pinion gear out. The tools you need for that, right? I have this electric wire stripper at home, the hammer, and this flathead pin, right? And why we need this flathead pin? It should be wide enough which can go inside, all the way inside, right? And we can hit the motor shaft, right? And we have this two piece of wood. So what we need to do is first we need to take this motor mount, loosen up, right? So we will unscrew this, right? So now this mount loosen up, right? So you need to bring it all the way to the pinion gear. Here you see we have a space. All right, so we will now use this wire stripper, right? And what we'll do, you see these three holes. So we will put this motor shaft, right? You see this space in one of these holes, and we will use this as a brace, right? That's it. So we'll put this on this wood. We have to make sure that there's enough space in between so that when we try to put some pressure on this motor shaft, it will just not hit the floor, right? So now what you will do next is, in order to hold this so that your hand is free, you will use your knee, right? This one, I will use my knee to hold this one so it will stay stable and it don't move, right? Now we will take this flathead pin which we got. We'll put this on the motor shaft, and we lightly, don't put a lot of force on it, right? Not with full force. We will start lightly tapping it, and you will see it that the pinion gear will start moving out of the motor shaft. Tapping it, you will feel it that slowly it will come out, right? As you see here, now we have the pinion gear out. This is the motor mount, right? And there is a grub screw which is still in there, and this is our motor. So nothing is being damaged, is all good. We're able to take the pinion gear out. So let's move on to the next step. All right, so now the second step is that we have to take this grub screw out of the pinion gear. So we will turn on the stove. We'll put this fry pan, or if anything else you have, you use on the grill or something, you do that. Put this pinion gear on it and facing the grub screw downward, right? Make sure you have a plier, right, because it will be very hot, and leave it there for a couple of minutes. Why we are doing it, that it will help melt the Loctite and will be much easier to take the grub screw out, and we can save the grub screw as well. Now after a couple of minutes you can just turn off the stove. Now you will hold this off with the plier. It's hot, don't try to touch it. Right, so now we try to unscrew it. Start moving, we're able to loosen up the Loctite, and it's coming out. It's almost out. That's it. We're able to successfully take the grub screw also out. So that's it. We are done. We are able to save the motor shaft, the motor mount, the pinion gear, and the grub screw. Everything is intact. And this is without spending a dime. I believe it's very simple and very fast way of fixing this issue. Don't forget to hit the subscribe or toss a like if this video helped you out in any way. Or if you have any other secret way to fix this issue, do write in the comment. Break it, fix it, and go back bashing again. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care.